Brad Pitt suffers a loss against Angelina Jolie in Winery legal battle. Report. Brad Pitt loses against ex-wife Angelina Jolie in a legal battle over the release of her private messages. The ex-couple's legal fight stems from the $164 million Château Miraval, the French winery they have co-owned. Jolie reportedly sold her stake in the winery, which Pitt alleges breached a prior agreement between them. Amid their ongoing legal battle, Jolie bagged a small but significant win against the F1 star. Angelina Jolie reportedly gets a win in legal battle against Brad Pitt. Brad Pitt reportedly suffers a loss against ex-wife Angelina Jolie over the release of her private messages. On Monday, May 4th, a judge ruled in Jolie's favor that she is not required to submit private messages sought by Pitt. With the ruling, the judge agreed with a higher court's earlier decision that Jolie is not required to submit private messages exchanged with her attorneys. The private messages are protected by attorney-client privilege, meaning they are confidential. Los Angeles Superior Court Judge Sinei Panuco wrote that Pitt has not met his burden. This means that he hasn't given enough proof to explain why the private messages need to be shown publicly. However, the judge noted that further discovery may yield additional facts that could potentially rebut Jolie's claims. He added that Pitt has not done so on the present record. Jolie's attorney, Paul Murphy, revealed to People, "This is an important victory for Ms. Jolie." Murphy added that Pitt was completely out of bounds when he sought access to obviously privileged documents. Furthermore, he added in his statement that this kind of behavior was typical and expected of him. Murphy explained, "This is part of Mr. Pitt's pattern of demanding control over anything Angelina, including control over her communications with her own attorneys. We are extremely gratified that both the Court of Appeal and the trial court ultimately put a stop to it." Meanwhile, a source close to the 62-year-old actor dished to the outlet, the judge allowed Pitt's team to revisit the decision as evidence develops. It's notable how Jolie has withheld so many documents as privileged. It's just some of the evidence in the case.